DK here, Product Development Engineer for Airush Kiteboarding. Today I'm going to be taking you through how to do a high-Y conversion for the new Lift kite. Today I'm going to be doing that with a Airush cleat bar, but this conversion is applicable to any bar in the Airush range. To do this conversion, you're going to need the bar, you're going to need the ring which ships in the bag with all of the Lift kites, and you're going to need a secure location to attach all four lines to. In this case, I've tied this rope around a tree. To get started, we're going to have to run out the lines in the same way we would to attach them to the kite. Now to run out my lines, I need to separate all four and attach them to the tree. And when everything's nice and straight, I'll attach them to my rope around the tree. With all four lines secured to a single point, we now need to go back to the bar and identify our landing line. Back at the bar, we need to identify the line which is attached to the elasticated bungee cord. Once we've found this line, we'll walk back up to our attachment point and remove it from the stack. Once we've brought the landing line back up to our single attachment point, we just simply remove it, leaving the other three lines secured. Now that I have this line free, I'll remove the pigtail and now we need to walk back to the 9-meter connection point lower down on this line. On the front lines on every Airush control bar, there's a loop-to-loop connection at 9 meters. It's pretty easy to identify. The line closest to the bar will have a tag on it saying 9 meters. Once you've found that point, the line that we're going to put the ring on needs to be pulled all the way back through. Once this line is free of the loop-to-loop, we'll grab the stainless steel ring, slide it onto the lower front line, and put the upper front line back through the connection. And let's pull it all the way back up. If everything has gone to plan, when you pull this tight, you'll have a ring sitting 90 degrees in the middle of two loop-to-loops. We'll now take this line and run it back up to our attachment point. We can now take our pigtail, reattach it to this front line, and now we'll swap out the opposite front line in our stack. So that line out, landing line in. And now I remove this pigtail. And return to our 9-meter connection point. Back at the 9-meter connection point, we'll now take that loose front line and pull it all the way back through. Once we have the loose end, pop it through the ring, pop the pigtail back on this line, and pull it all the way back up. At the point you have the loop-to-loop connection on this opposite front line, you'll just pull it through so it sits on the kite side of the ring. We can now take this line back up and pop it into our stack. So we take our floating line and reattach it to our single point. Our last part of the process is just checking the trim on the bar. Correct trim on all Airush bars is the cleat or the strap fully extended, full power mode, all 4 lines pulled tight, and the same as this, chicken loop should be sitting hard against the bar. This bar is perfect, our job's done. Thank you.